Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ideal Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Bey. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one simple form in Java. Like previously we have just not built anything. I am telling you how to just write a basic code of Java, and I hope you enjoy that, because in that was just very helpful for beginners if they are learning Java for the first time. So they want to know what is the first code of Java, how to write Java, how to save a file of Java, where to save the file, and there are many other questions which they can ask if I don't do that, and if I simply move to project. So now from now we'll be uploading the projects of Java, which would be helpful for you. So the previously I'm telling you how to write the Java code and how to just take it to Google Chrome, and now I hope you understand that all things there. So just we now starting with our project here. But before that, if you are new here, so please hit the like button on this video if you are just learning things from that, and also just subscribe on my channel if you are new here. After that, also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video and all the things which I am just uploading, that will be really helpful for you. I hope that. So just we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just now building one simple form in Java which will be helpful for you. So just I've opened already my VS Code, so you can just go to VS Code and then you can do. So just open that file like previously where you have write your Java code. If you have not watched this video, watch the previous video, you can check that previous video, then move to this video, so that will be helpful for you also. If you just directly move on this, if you are beginner, so it will be just really difficulty for you to learn Java. But first of all, check the previous video, then move to this video, so you can just learn how to build a project in Java. So just I'll be opening my VS Code simply. Here you have to make one HTML file. Previously we have made and we have linked our Java file. So these are both the same file which we are working previously on. So I'm recording this video at the same day I recorded that video, because now I will be just coming up with many projects daily onwards. So because of that, I want to just now record video day by day, or you can say in one day I record 4 to 5 videos. So I am doing that for you. So please give me motivation, subscribe on my channel, like this video, hit notification bell, or you can also comment me like what series I want to bring up next after completing this Java series. So like I'm telling you, we have now linked this Java file here in HTML file. Move to Java file, and now we have to write all the codes in Java file. We have to just use HTML file for linking this Java file here. Move to this HTML, you can say Java file. Here I'll be writing some of the codes. Here you have to write a tag which should be just like here, console. Then you have to close this tag here, move down, and then I'll be writing navbar, or you can say navigation. And here you have to move and then write navbar equal. Here you have to write another thing which should be like terminal. When you've done with that, close this and move here by writing this tag. Here I will be writing HTML dot, then right here apply, and write dot arguments. Just close this, because in form we have to write our all the text, and this text means arguments here which we are just writing here. Move downwards here, and here I will be writing a tag which should be like element base equal, and then I will be writing to help. Here I will be closing this and moving by writing this you can say curly bracket. Then I will be writing a tag which should be like console dot element. Here I will be writing dot apply. When you done that, just close this, and here I will be now doing one thing, like I'll be moving after that. Now then I'll be moving downwards. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like error, so spelling is incorrect. Here I'll be writing error event equal. Then just I'll be writing here a tag which will be like console, then closing this tag by writing this curly bracket here, and here I will be writing a tag which will be like collections, and then I'll be writing dot all. Here I will be writing all, and then close this. Here when you're done with that, then I'll be moved down. Here I'll be writing form data equal text, and when you're done with that, you have to close this and move by writing this curly bracket. In this I will be writing run dot view dot edit. Just you have to close this tag here, move forward again. Here I will be moving down, then right here data. Here you have to write here data, and here I'll be writing transition equal. Okay, so we have not written n here. Now it is good. So when you've done that, right here edit, just move here and then make that curly bracket like previously we have made. When you just do that all things, here you have to move and write a tag which should be just like here file dot list, and you have to just write another tag which should be just like here argument again. Then you have to do one thing like close this tag from here, move down again. Then I will be writing a tag which should be like base element here. Right here base element, move forward, then writing a tag which should be like selection equal user. And then you have to do like here you have to write a tag which should be like database dot form. Then I'll be writing dot, and here I will be writing a tag which should be like base. Here I'll be closing this curly bracket now. Then I'll be moving downward here. Here I'll be writing a tag which will be like area. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like tags equals to. Then I will be writing another tag which will be like view. Here I will be closing this tag by writing this curly bracket here, and in this curly bracket I will be writing a tag which will be like navigation dot area dot, and here I will be writing a tag which will be just like t, and here I'll be writing event. Just close this tag now. When you're done with that thing, just move down again. Here I will be making this bracket here, or you can say these colon, and in this I will be writing a tag which will be just like here area, but we will be not writing that simply. Here I'll be writing tags, or you can say tag decoder. I'll be writing decoder URL equals to, then I will be writing a tag which will be just like view. Then you have to move and close this tag by writing this curly bracket. Here I'll be writing run dot decoder, and here I will be writing code. Then just you have to close this file now, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be moving down here by writing this tag here, and I'll be opening that, and then here I will be writing a tag which will be like collection, and here I'll be writing optics equals to, and make this you can say this tags here, or you can say colons here. By making this colons in that, I will be writing a tag which will be like console, but we have already written that, so here I'll be writing a run tag here. When you've done that, just you have to close this and make a curly bracket here. When you will be closing that, automatically this close tag will be coming. But if you have not downloaded the extension, by doing that you want to download the extension here, you can move here and write a auto close tag extensions. Here you can write auto close tag. When you will be pressing enter, your this extension will be coming. You can see this is the auto close extension tag. When you will be closing your tag, automatically the close tag will be appearing. But when we have not installed that, we have to close the tag again and again, so it is waste of time. So because of that, I have installed this extension here, and you can see 5 million plus installers are of that, and 4 of the rating is that. Here you can see how the good looking is that. So these are the things you can just install that also, or you can disable that if you want to do, if you have installed that. By doing that, I have also just auto rename tag. I have also just make, if I just auto rename tag is a tag. If I show you, if I change any name here, like if I change it to first, you can see this close tag is also changing. But if you have not installed this extension, you can only change the name from here. You have to go again and then change the name of close tag. But here you can change both the name, not the separately, just you can change it your own. So just like that, you can install by moving here. You can just also install this auto rename tag. It is also by the same person like close tag is. Auto compile tag, you can auto complete tag means that you can install that, which is really helpful for and if I move here, so you can see these are the important things which you want to install here, so you will be not having any trouble by doing that. So I am installing that all things so that it will be not waste of time, and you can learn more enough things from here. So just you can see we have just written these tags here, but we have not written a curly bracket here. So in this curly bracket I will be writing a floor dot random, so right here. Then you have to change that to like area. Here when you've done that, just we have written area, so here I will be writing collection, and now it is good to go. Then here I'll be moving down again. I'll be writing updates. So here I'll be writing updates, and then I will be doing one thing. I'll be writing collection equals to, then I will be writing here folder. Then I will be doing one thing, closing this tag by making this curly bracket. I will be writing HTML dot, and here I will be changing that to length dot, and write another tag which will be just like here data only. Then close this tag here, and when you're done with that thing, just it will be appearing here. If I move down, and all the things are just good to go. And when you've done that, here I will be making this you can say again this tag here, and I will be writing HTML all collection here, which is just written. When you've done that, here you have to write collection all equal apply, and then close this tag here, right here, HTML all collections dot length dot name. So simply when you've done that, close this tag here and you can see all the things are good to go. Just save this file from here. And if I just show you in Google Chrome, our Google form should be just ready. You can see here it is our Google form which is just now ready. So you can see that it is our not the Google form like simple form which we have just made with Java. You can see it is not appearing anything here, just it is starting the text search box is coming, then the own anyone, owned by me, not owned by me, you can press that. Then these all things, list view, sort options, open file picker, no text documents are here just yet, and click plus to add a new document. If I press plus, you can see nothing happening because just I have created these things. Or plus is here also, you can just create your new document from here, but nothing happens because we have only made the front page of that, because it is a beginner project, and in beginner project I can only make the front page. If I do back end also, so it will be really big video and you can also not understand that all things. So just I know how to build one simple form in Java or beginners. So just I hope you enjoy this project. If you have enjoyed, so please like this video. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe on my channel. After it, also hit the notification bell from which you'll be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So just I will be meeting you in the next project. But before that, just we have to now coming up. I will be coming up with the project now really quickly, so it will be really helpful for you. So just now, I hope you enjoy this project. I will be meeting you in the next project. So for today, good.